திரு ஆனந்த் ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் அவர்களின் சாதாரண பங்கு அசாதாரண லாபம் தமிழ் வடிவம் இப்போது கிண்டிலில் கிடைக்கிறது. இந்த புத்தகம் புதிய முதலீட்டாளர்களுக்கு பங்குச்சந்தை பற்றிய ஒரு அறிமுகமாக இருக்கும். இந்த புத்தகத்தை நீங்கள் கிண்டிலில் வாங்க விரும்பினால் வீடியோவின் கீழே இருக்கும் லிங்கை கிளிக் செய்யுங்கள்.
Good evening. Today I want to talk about what is happening in Vodafone-Idea, or now what is known as VI. Welcome back to Be Rich. Vodafone-Idea is in serious trouble and has been in trouble for a long time. Vodafone, which was previously known as Hutch, has some iconic advertisement to its credit. Nobody can forget the pug dog which signified Hutch. The price of the dog pup went up to nearly 1 lakh after the advertisement made it very popular. Then there were cartoon characters. In spite of such iconic advertisement, Vodafone could not survive in the Indian markets as tariff plummeted. When Jio made its appearance and started to cut prices, most of its rivals went bust, with only Airtel surviving. Even Vodafone found it extremely difficult to survive. So Vodafone and Idea merged together to form Vodafone-Idea. Even this combined entity could not take on the might of Reliance as it kept dropping prices. Lower tariffs meant that Vodafone-Idea would suffer heavily because their losses was also extremely high. The current year's numbers for the Vodafone-Idea look extremely bad. On a net revenue of 42,000 and odd crores, the loss of the company is 44,000 crores. That means the total expenses of the company is much more. Net of revenues is much more than the turnover of the company. Primarily, the losses have come from heavy borrowing. The total debt of this company is 1.8 lakh crores and the total interest alone is 18,000 crores. Several convenience, that is, rules which must be obeyed by the company so that it can survive and so that its loans cannot be recalled, have been broken. The company has approached the lenders for a waiver of convenience so that the company can operate. This means if these waivers are given, it means the banks would not resort to collection even if these conditions were broken. The lenders are now urging the promoters to infuse more cash. The Kumar Mangalam Birla Group and Vodafone PLC are the joint promoters of this company. Both of them have flatly refused to give any further equity in light of government policies. The company has in turn appealed to the Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Telecoms to give them a breather in paying AGR dues by 1 year. The AGR dues of the company is as hanging like an albatross over the neck of this company. The huge AGR dues of this payable by this company over the next 10 years have made this company unviable and unprofitable. That the government has not given permission to start even 4G for BSNL in spite of giving in principal approval means that India will soon be a country where telecom wars will be fought between two big players, Airtel and Reliance Jio. This is very unhealthy for an economy which even Sunil Mittal, owner of Airtel, agrees. But unless there is increase in tariff by both existing players, other competition cannot survive. But to gain market share, Reliance Jio will maintain a low market share. Airtel has announced a new plan called Black, where it will give a broadband connection, a DTH connection, plus a voice connection, all rolled in one package. This is nothing but a publicity stunt to attract new customers. What are the hurdles for Vodafone to raise money? The biggest hurdle for Vodafone to raise money is the fact that its tariffs are very low in comparison to Jio and Bharti Airtel. And because its tariffs are extremely low, it makes it impossible for this company to raise funding because there is no way this company is going to be profitable. So, unless the government intervenes and postpones AGR payments by a couple of without interest, the chances of Vodafone Idea surviving are very bleak, are very slim. The equity of the promoters is being completely wiped out and they will take a loss. But the major loser, in case the government allows this company to go bankrupt, is the Indian bankers. The Indian bankers have collectively lent more than 1 lakh crore to the Vodafone Idea company. And this 1 crore, more than 1 lakh crore debt is enough to sink this company permanently. If this company sinks, it clearly means there'll be only two strong players left in the Indian telecom market, one being Reliance Jio, the other being Bharti Airtel. This is definitely not healthy for India's long-term interests. Sunil Mittal recently in an interview said he is willing to increase tariffs if other players increase their tariffs. But only asking Bharati to increase the tariff is unfair. So, if tariffs don't go up, more and more more and more employees will be laid out, and more budgeting spends will be cut down. Let's hope that the government sees sense and designs policies in such a way that 3 to 4 lead promoter companies are allowed to survive. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.